Hey coin collectors, it's DC on the Big D. It's the 1954 Washington quarter from the United States. And we see that we have three of them here. You can't tell what mint they were made at until you turn these over onto the back. We see that they all have the same front, Liberty at the top, In God We Trust down here under Washington's chin, in 1954 right here. And if we tip these up, they're all going to have the initials right in here, and this is the John Flanagan JF initial. If we get them up onto the edge, remember that they still made the silver quarters in 1954, and they made them until 1964. This is 90% silver, 10% copper, so it's worth about $5 just in silver value alone. We get it onto the back, and we see that it says United States of America at the top, E pluribus unum here, and down at the bottom it says $quarter, and the eagle is in the center holding a sheaf of arrows over a olive wreath that goes across. Right down here where that blank space is, that's where you'll find the mint mark for the 1954 coins. If it's no mint mark like this one, that means it was made in Philadelphia. At the Philadelphia Mint in 1954, they made 54 million of these coins. This is, as you saw, a reeded edge coin, weighs 6.3 grams and is 24.3 millimeters in diameter. Same size as the regular coins, but weighs a little bit more because of the silver as opposed to the modern coins copper-nickel blend. At auction, this coin has gone for as high as $17,250. At a Mint State 65, the Philadelphia goes for $28. At a Mint State 68, the Philadelphia goes for $10,000. They made the coin at two other mints, and so to flip it over, we'll take a look and we'll see that this one is a D. And this is kind of a filled D, not the greatest D for Denver that you'll ever see. At the Denver Mint, they made $42 million. The auction record for a Denver coin is $9,000 from Mint State 67 Plus in 2020 from the Heritage Auctions. At a Mint State 65, the 1954 D is worth $32. At a Mint State 67 Plus, it's worth $9,000. And finally, they made these at the San Francisco Mint. You'll see this one is a really weird looking S. The top is kind of small, the bottom is kind of big, and it almost looks like it's at an angle, but it's not. In this S from the San Francisco Mint, they made 11.9 million of these. The auction record for a San Francisco coin is $12,000 from Mint State 68. The Mint State 65 goes for $30, and a Mint State 68 right now on PCGS lists for $13,500. Of course, in 1954, the San Francisco Mint made regular circulating coins. They didn't make proof coins. Proof coins were made at the Philadelphia Mint. So let's take a look at those Philadelphia Mint proof coins. The proof coins have a tremendous value in 1954 also, since they only made 233,000. Now it's possible to get these 1954s in a proof coin also. They made 233,000 proof sets at the Philadelphia Mint. It's unlikely you'll be confused if you get one from a proof set by any of the other coins. And here's a proof set coin here. So these coins have a different finish on them, a different kind of shine, and the idea that you could get it confused is very unlikely. And of course, these will only come in a proof set. If we look on the back, you'll see that it has that same kind of quality shine to it. So you should never ever confuse a Philadelphia proof coin from 1954 with a regular Philadelphia coin. So let's take a look at the PCGS site and look at some of those proof coins. When you get to 1954 proof quarter, you see that it comes in a proof, a cameo, and a deep cameo for the grading. And this one that you see right here is the deep cameo, and you can tell that it says DCAM on there. And you can also tell that in most instances, there's no way to mistake this for a regular quarter, especially the deep cameos. We get down here and it has all the information. Then if we go a little further down, we go over and see that a Mint State 69 has been found through the NGC auctions. The NGC graded here and have gone for the thousands. And then for PCGS, the best ones they found so far have been two Mint State 68 pluses that go for $7,500. If you want to see what the auction record is, you just go up to here right underneath all the information, and you see that in November 6, 2014, at the Heritage Auctions, they sold the Proof 69 for $12,925. From 1943 to 1949, they didn't make proof coins. They came back with them in 1950 and made about 51,000. By 1954, they were up to 233,000, and currently they produce somewhere between 2 and 3 million each year of the proof coins. But the modern proof coins are all from the San Francisco Mint. So look for these coins. You're probably going to have to get most of them from a coin dealer. You almost never see these in circulation anymore. There's no sense in using a spending value of 25 cents for a $5 plus coin. All right, that's all we have today from the Big D Coin channel. Please subscribe to the channel and leave any comments you have in the comments section.